Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change ship and high seas hero. Changing your ship and high seas heroes can be done in two ways, through Ascension or by changing skins. To use Ascension, go to the upgrade section, select your battleship, and tap the Ascent button. This will show you what your ship will evolve into. For example, at level 15, your ship may evolve into Destiny, while higher levels unlock additional options. Level 30 may give three choices, level 60 more, and so on. Confirm your selection and your ship will change accordingly. If you want to change your ship's appearance without affecting its stats, you can switch skins. Tap the top left corner of the screen to access your profile, then open the Sets section. Here you can browse available skins and select the one you want. This changes your ship's look as a whole, letting you customize its style while keeping your current ship and its upgrades intact. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.